evaluating these integral integrations questions. So now we'll just start with this first one. Okay, this is red. Let me change it to white. Now the first question is integrate 3x to power 2 dx divided by x to power 3 plus 3. Now we say let u be equal to x to power 3 plus 3. Differentiating u with respect to x, you now have 3x to power 2 dx. Using the expression differentiation, when you're differentiating, if you're differentiating power 3, now the differential of this, okay, let me just say again, the differential of this is 3. Let me use the general expression. Now if you have y is equal to x raised to power n, the y is equal to mx raised to power n minus 1 dx. So this is the general expression. So that is how we got this. Now, and this expression is what we're going to be using if we're differentiating. Now we now have substituting these values into this, you now have the integral of 3x raised to power 2 dx divided by x raised to power 3 plus 3 is equal to du all over u. Differentiate. So now integrate. Now if you integrate this, it will give you a natural log plus a constant. So now we are using this integral rule where you have the x all over x. Different integration of the x all over x is natural log of x plus c. So this rule we're using. Now, so coming down, since u is equal to this, then the integral of 3x squared dx divided by x to power 3 plus 3 will now be equal to natural log of x to power 3 plus 3 all over plus 3, okay, bracket close, plus c. So this is the final answer. Now the next question is, which is b, the integral of 4x power 3 plus 3x power 2 plus 5 divided by x to power 4 plus x to power 3 plus 5x plus 2 dx. Now, if we now say u is equal to x to power 4 plus x to power 3 plus 5x plus 2. Now differentiating this using this expression, using this differentiation rule, general rule, you now have du is equal to 4x 4 minus 1 plus 3x 3 minus 1 plus 5 times 1 x 1 minus 1 plus this is 2 times 0 x raised to power 0 minus 1. So the whole of this will be 0. So this will be 4x raised to power 3 plus 3x raised to power 2 plus 5. Anything raised to power 0, this will be 0. X raised to power 0 plus 2 times 0 divided by x raised to power 1. So you have 4x, okay, there should be dx here, dx. Now 4x raised to power 3 plus 3 x raised to power 2 plus 5. Anything raised to power 0 is 1, 2 plus this is 0. 2 times 0 is 0. So this does not come to play. Du. So now we have our u to be this. We have our du to be this expression. Now that means integral of 4x to power 3 plus 3x to power 2 plus 5 divided by x to power 4 plus x to power 3 plus 5x plus 2 dx is equal to du all over u integral, because du is equal to this, which is the same thing as this one at the numerator, then the one at the denominator is equal to this, which is u. Now this is equal to natural log of u plus c from this, so the answer to this question, so integral 4x power to power 3 plus 3x to power 2 plus 5 divided by dx divided by x to power 4 plus x to power 3 plus 5x to power 2 plus 2 is equal to natural log of x to power 4 plus x to power 3 plus 5x plus 2 or bracket close plus c. So this is the final answer. Then the next question is integral, that is c, integral of 8x plus 10 divided by 2x to power 2 plus 5x dx. Now let u be equal to 2x to power 2 plus 5x. Now differentiating the u, you have 4x plus 5 dx. In essence, to explain that, to explain that using this expression, so the u is equal to, this will be 2 times 2x2 minus 1 plus 5 times 1, 5 times 1x1 minus 1 dx. So 2 times 2 give you 4x plus 5 times 1 is 5, x raised to power 7 dx. So this will give you 4x plus 5 dx. So now the u is this, sorry, the nu is this, the u is this expression. Now, meaning that integral of 8x plus 10 dx divided by 2x raised to power 2 plus 5 is equal to, now if you factor out this, you have 2 into 4x plus 5 dx divided by 2x to power 2 plus 5 with integral sign. Now from here, du is this, which is 2 du all over, okay, this is x, this is x, so this is u now, integral. So this is 2, this will now be 2 du all over u. Now integrating this, you have 2 integral u plus c. So it will now be the integral of 8x plus 10 dx divided by 2x squared plus 5x will now be equal to 2 natural log of 2x squared plus 5x plus c constant. Now the last question, is integral of minus e minus x plus 7 divided by e raised to power minus x plus 7x dx. So now let u be equal to e minus x plus 7x. Now if you differentiate this, you have, now using, let me, before I do that, before I differentiate this, I will write out a differentiation rule which says if you have y is equal to e to power ax. Now if you differentiate this, you have this A will be A, then E, AX, AX. So that is it. So we're going to use this expression in this case. Now let's go back. So now U is equal to E minus X plus 7X. So if we differentiate this, we have minus E minus X plus, this will be 7 dx. Sorry, dx. Now, so substituting this, then substituting this into the equation, substitute this into this equation, you now have minus E x plus 7 divided by E minus X plus 7X. This will now be equal to du all over U, which is equal to integral U plus C, which is equal to integral E minus X plus 7X plus C. So this is the end of the lesson. So this is the final answer. So now, if you haven't watched till the end, please do well to subscribe and also hit the notification bell. So next time, if I produce new videos like this, you'll be the first to watch. Thank you.